Well, he bataka me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Blessings Nation, and now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one that we're gonna bring on another reasoning on the topic of current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, but to find the reason insightful, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and let your voice be heard. Like and share the video and drop a comment in the comment section. Now, let's get right into the reasoning. Now, Nation, Isaac Buchanan has confirmed that based on UK digital investigations, Vybz Kartel's freedom is set. Now, an investigation was carried out by David John Martin Woodgate of UK-based Foreign Digital Investigations. In his findings, he noted that the video which placed Vybz Kartel at the scene of the crime was not in alignment with his actual location. This is the forensic proof. Now keep in mind, Vybz Kartel was convicted based on third world digital findings, and the international based forensics experts has found proof that clears Vybz Kartel's name. I'm going to hear from his attorney, Isaac Buchanan himself, and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen. Now, Nation, the defense stated that there are several inconsistencies with the prosecution's primary evidence, which had included eyewitness testimony, as well as numerous text messages, BBMs, voice notes, and a video that was extracted from the BlackBerry Torch and an SD card and a SIM card. Now, the expert was quoted as saying, the pieces of evidence and the metadata are not aligned. It was stated that, for instance, the video didn't have any GPS on it, and all the other videos on the phone had a GPS stamp on it. They had metadata and times of the creation of the file, the recording of the image, and when it was stored in a sequence. The prosecutor's evidence did not have any. They were not created on the phone. Nation, this new piece of evidence also confirms the fact that during the time that the prosecutors stated that the crime occurred, Vybz Kartel was based on documentation at the hospital, and the defense is stating that the time was clearly changed to fit the prosecution's case. The forensics digital expert also stated that it is not just a rumor, based on when the JCF stated that the phone was confiscated and placed in holding. Evidence prove the cell phone was used to make calls after it was confiscated. And that, of course, leaves a thought in mind. If the device was used to make calls, could the device also have been used to send messages and further used to create the evidence used by the prosecution? That is the very statement from the defense. Based on these findings, Buchanan told Lisa Evers that he's very happy and optimistic about going before the Privy Council with these confirmed findings by the digital forensics expert. And this is definitely, of course, good news for fans of the dancehall superstar, family and well-wishers, supporters of the dancehall superstar. As always, I've always pointed to the fact that the way the case was handled, areas of the case that were publicized before the evidence was used in open court, tabloids had already listed out all of the same key pieces of evidence that prosecutors then later used in the trial. Tabloids were notified of the locations to be searched beforehand to allow them to arrive at these locations to televise and publicize the event. The defense also pointed to the fact that the sole witness statement and the inconsistencies, the fact that the statement was changed from time to time, changed from what was told to the arresting officers, because he was arrested for crimes separate and apart from Vybz Kartel's case. During that arrest, a statement was given pertaining to Vybz Kartel's case, which, as the defense stated, was different from the statement given in open court. There were inconsistencies in even the statement given in open court, things that the person giving the statement could not explain themselves, leaving citizens who were not even fans of the music per se, but took note of what was happening during the trial, and even them themselves have stated that the trial was an unfair one. The fact that the motions raised by the defense was overlooked. The fact that the judge himself said he was concerned about the issues with the evidence. The fact that the same evidence, digital evidence, that was being used to prove the prosecutor's point, was on the flip side also able to prove the fact that the defendants were innocent, being that the evidence had placed them at a particular place, that of their cell phones. When cell phone towers were checked, these cell phones placed these individuals at different locations during the time that prosecutors stated that the act was being committed. That cannot be overlooked, because it is this very evidence that the prosecutors themselves are using. Talk to me in the comment section. What do you feel about these new findings and the confirmation now out that the phone was indeed tampered with? It is not rumored, it is not hearsay, it is not just a notion or a theory being presented by the defense team. It is now a binding fact. Talk to me. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the news correspondent, and if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, but they like the reason, and of course they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Fans of the dancehall superstar are definitely celebrating this new finding as a victory, and based on Isaac Buchanan's statement, Vybz Kartel's freedom is set as his name has been cleared based on the digital forensics expert and his findings. Now to the reason again, stay tuned.